Hi, I'm Alex from CommBox, and in this video I'm going to be covering the basics of how to log in and get started with the CommBox control editor. So what's really unique about the CommBox control editor is that it's entirely web-based, and that means that you can access it from any browser on any platform, whether you're using a Mac or Windows or even Linux. So to get started, I'm just going to open up a browser. I'm using Google Chrome, which is the browser we recommend, but like I said, it'll work in any. So the first thing to do is navigate to the control editor address, which is control.commbox.com.au. When you purchase your Control Pro or Control Lite, you would have been issued a unique username and password, which allows you to access your projects. So I'm just going to type mine in and my password and hit login. You can see I'm now inside the CommBox control editor homepage. Before I show you anything else, I just want to draw your attention to these two icons in the top right hand corner here. The padlock is how you log out. It's really important that you remember to log out at the end of every session, particularly if you share your device with other people. Otherwise, if they come onto your computer, they're going to be able to access your projects, and that's not what you want. Next to that, you have this I for information. If you click that, you'll be directed to this window, which contains a database of all the manuals you could possibly need relating to control. To open one of those manuals, you just click the one that you're interested in, and it'll open in a new window. You can then scroll down to the table of contents and jump ahead to any section in that manual by clicking on it. So for instance, if I'm interested in the projects panel, I'll click on that and it'll jump to that section in the manual. So that's really handy. So I'm just going to close that now and go back to the control editor. So once inside the control editor, there's three panels. There's the projects panel, which is this one on the top left-hand side, and that's made up of sites, controllers, screens, and device mappings. And I'll do more in-depth videos on each of those after this one. Underneath that, you've got the properties panel. So this displays all the properties of one of these four things. So for instance, if I expand sites and click on this template one that I've created, the properties for it will appear in the properties panel, like so. On the right-hand side here is the design panel. So this is where you can see everything you've created. So using that same example, if I just jump down to screens, you can now see the screen that I started building. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. For more videos, head to commbox.com.au/support.